24% of global CO2 emissions come from the transport sector. 3/4 of these emissions are due to trucks and cars. In 2019, over 1.2 billion vehicles were in active use, most of which for commuting, causing traffic jams, CO2 emissions, sound pollution, stress, accidents. To address these issues, we need to better understand how our roads are used. Observer by Alyce meets this need by installing smart boxes along roads at city entry and exit points. The sensors and artificial intelligence in these boxes allow vehicles to be counted and categorized, data on greenhouse gas, fine particles, and noise to be collected. Observer also uses big data on mobility from GPSs and mobile phones to find out where vehicles are coming from and where they are going. All of this data is then merged and synthesized in a simple, interactive interface, allowing you to browse all the data collected and to understand road use in a general, permanent, and instantaneous way. Our Road Mobility Observatory therefore effectively supports decision-making to evolve mobility towards more environmentally friendly modes, optimize investment choices, and facilitate the daily management of infrastructure. To find out more about Observer by Alyce, go to alyce.fr.